India have maintained a good relation with all the stakeholders. They have kept an equidistance among the older countries. So we don't feel that India is doing the wrong things by having relations. Never been in Indian history that the relation between India and another country at the cost of the others. I think India is one of the main first country, non-Arab country, who declared the Palestine as a Palestinian state and recognized them as an embassy here in Delhi. That is by itself would give a boost and showing that India commitment to the Palestinian cause and to reach a durable peace that could have a coexistence between the two states in Israel and the Arab and the Palestinians. So therefore, this can be of a great help for India to have its commitment, again reiterating its own position on these lines, and it make no effect, no impact on any relation, because look at the trader corridors now, the diplomatic corridors being created. It has to cross from India throughout the Arab country. So if it is in favor of the Israelis, of the Palestinians, of the Arab world, that we should have tranquility and peace so this economy can prosper. Nobody will invest in any business opportunities if there is a disturbance.